Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ajit Rathore, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about time calculation. How to deal with time calculation. So Excel can work with time very easily. Time can be entered in various different formats and calculations performed. So let's talk about the typing, how time should be typed in worksheet. So when time is entered into worksheet, it should be entered with a colon between the hour and the minutes, such as 12 colon 30, 20 colon 15, 22 colon 45, etc. So Excel can cope up with either 24-hour system or AM/PM system. And very important thing to be noted over here is to use the AM/PM system, you must enter the AM/PM after the time. Okay, and most important thing, there must be a space between the number and the text. So I said two time format, right? So this is first one is 24-hour format and this is the AM/PM system. So now let's start with an example. So let's see first finding the difference between two times or finding the duration between two times. So this is my start time. As an example, I have taken 3 time and this is end time. So let's find the duration. So let me clear this first and let's find the duration. So duration is nothing but the subtraction one time from another. So is equal to this minus this will give me the duration, right? Similarly, this minus this will give me the duration. So let's try this. So this minus this. Okay, so we are getting in time format. Okay, so now this is what I was talking about. So we need to change the formatting of this cell, particular this cell. So click on this. Okay, then click on the format cells. Okay, format cells, and now here you can see we have selected the AM/PM hours. So instead of this, let's select this and that will give us the answer. Okay, so I got the 9 answer. So this is how, when answer is not correct, we can try with reformatting the answer cell where we are getting the answer that needs to be reformatted. Now let's see how to add the time. So we can add the time to find a total time, and this will work well until the total time goes about 24 hours. And for totals greater than 24 hours, we may need to apply a special formatting to get the right answer. So let's see this with an example. So here we can see that duration between these two time is 1 hour. Duration between these two time is 9 hours, and duration between these two time is 10 hours and 15 minutes. So let's apply this sum formula. So is equal to sum, close the bracket and press enter, and that will give me the answer. So I got the right answer because this is within 24 hours. Now let's see with an example where total is greater than 24 hours. So as an example, I have taken two tables over here. So both the tables have the same data. However, if I sum the duration of these two, I'm getting the different answer. On the first table I'm getting 6 hours and 45 minutes, and on second table I'm getting 30 hours and 45 minutes. So as I mentioned earlier, when time added together and result may go beyond 24 hours, right? So usually that will give an incorrect result, as you can see in this example. To correct this error, we may need to reformat that cells formatting. We have to do the custom formatting. How to do that? Let's see how we can correct this to the right format, so we'll get the correct answer. Okay, so click on the cell where we need to change the formatting and go to the home menu. Click on home menu and then go to the formatting. Okay, cells. Okay, I clicked home on formatting and the format cells, and in this you can see the selected time format is R:MM. It should be this one, wherein hours is within square bracket. Select this and click on OK, and that will give us the right answer. So you can see after doing that custom formatting, here also I got the right answer, 30 hours and 45 minutes. So this is what I mentioned earlier. Sometimes we need to change the formatting to get the right answer in time. Okay, so that's it in this video. So today we covered how to enter time in a worksheet, how we can find the difference between two time, how we can add the time, and how custom formatting to be performed to get the right answer. And that's it in this video. I hope you guys like this video and found it useful, and if you guys are liking this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you guys are notified whenever I come up with new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice video.